How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail app. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily manage and check your spam emails on the Yahoo Mail app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you don't have the application already, you can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once you have downloaded the app, tap on Open. And once your app is open, just make sure that you are logged into your account. Right here, I'm logged in with my Yahoo Mail. And then to access your spam folder, it's actually quite easy. The first thing you need to do is tap on this inbox tab, and here you'll find all of these options. Tap on the spam tab right here, and it will show you all of the spam account. Now, all you need to do is if you want to delete any unwanted emails, just swipe left on this to delete this permanently. Now, do the same for other ones. And if you want to select everything, you can just tap on select all and delete all. So go ahead and select all and then tap on delete and tap on OK. So by doing this, your spam folder is now clean. And that's how you can easily check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you next time.